Okay, YouTube, so Paul and Daisy here, day 19. Today, we our keto, not so good. I think with these pills that I've got on from the foot doctor, I'm not really messing with keto. And I did have a few pieces of chocolate and a glass of wine this afternoon at dinner. So Friday, no work today, so back to unemployment, just getting back into the routine. Got a nice nap with Bev. Daisy went for a long walk, super cool. And then we did a couple videos on my other channel there. I did a video of choices. We make choices, and I think it's a choice to be whether you're rich or poor. So I did that on my other channel. So markets closed today. Cryptos are down a little bit. I think it's just because it's the holiday weekend and it's just slow. People are just taking it off, and even though we're all with our families, there's still it's still Easter. So anyway, that's about it for the morning activities. The afternoon activities, me and Bev talked a lot about what our options are here now that the motorhome is gone. What we're going to do now. And we've got a plan A and a plan B for the house here. So, I mean, we're hoping it sells, but if it doesn't, no big deal at all. We'll ride it out, and we'll figure it out. Anyway, that's about it for Friday. I got a nap today with Beverly. I enjoyed that very much. I always enjoy a nap. It doesn't happen very often, but it does happen once in a while. Anyway, Paul Bates, peace out. I guess before I end this video too, why I'm doing these videos. I think it's important. I think this is going to be an important stepping stone in history of what happened. And I know in the '08 crisis what we did and how we got through that, and we survived it and thrived through it. And this is going to be the same thing. I think it's going to be a 3-year thing here. I think it's going to take about 3 years for us to fully feel the effects of it, and then before we start going back up into that where we're at now. But in this economy, this economy of debt, it's complicated. There's a lot of math to it and stuff like that. And there's a lot of smart people putting it all together, and I think it's important that we all take advantage of every situation you can and do your best that you can with the different advantages as they pop up. Anyway, Paul Bates, peace out. Daisy, love you guys. We'll get a long walk in today, and I think we're going to Saturday. We're going to the RV dealership, looking at this one particular one that we're looking at again. If we do move back into an RV, that's the one we'll go back into full time. Anyway, love you guys. Peace out. Paul and Daisy. Have a good day.